I gotta come back here 2 hours or tomorrow. Yeah, thank you. Many good fruit. 1 block behind my hotel. And we got the I gotta get a picture of this. Comanches, Vietnam. So some retiree here is into motorcycle. Oh, we have fish market. Wow, number 1. Vietnam number 1. Hi. Ni hao. Joke. Okay, my hotel is over here. I don't see any ATMs that work. I'm gonna have to catch a motorcycle taxi down to the tourist area where all the foreigners are so I can get some cash and eat like a friggin' champ. Can't do nothing without cash in the hood. We got a barber shop right here. Cut across. Nobody's working yet. It is packed in here. It's getting crazy. What time is it now? It's almost 9. People are flogging it to work and school and doing their errands. Making money however they can. Oh, where the heck's my hotel? There's a sidewalk over there I should get on. There's my motorbike right there. Oh yes, I gotta film this. This is what I need to be renting right here. 4-stroke CRF 250 or something like that. KLX. Hi, good morning.
How are you?
Good. You rent?
Yeah.
Rent big bike?
Yeah.
How much? This one.
Do you live here or just travel?
2 weeks here.
Okay.
Yeah. But I have motorcycle license Canada. It's a number 6.
I see.
Oh, this is nice.
The American, Canada, and Australian is illegal in Vietnam.
It is illegal. Okay.
But I'm president. I will give you.
Yeah.